DJ 196, RW 574, TH క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. దీంట్లో ఉన్న లాజిక్ ఏంటంటే డి అంటే డి లెటర్ వచ్చేసి 4, జే లెటర్ వచ్చేసి 10, 4 + 10 14, 14 × 14 196. And next R letter is 18th letter is in alphabets, 18th letter is R, W letter is 23. 83 + 23 how much? 41. 41 × 14 574. T 20, H 80, 20 + 8 28 into 14, 14 8 ja 112, 14 2 ja 28, 28 + 11 392. This answer 392. Next one, here 6 2 8 12 L, 3 4 5 7 E, 5 7 19 3 question mark. This one logic is 12 + 8 20, 6 + 2 8, 20 - 8 how much? 12. In alphabet 12th letter is L. Again 3 + 4 7, 5 + 7 12, 12 - 7 5, 5th letter is E. 19 + 3 22, 5 + 7 12, 22 - 12 10, 10th letter is J. Next question, 15 41 5 6, 18 50 4 10, 18 question mark 10 15, 15 2 ja 30, 5 + 6 11, 30 + 11 41. Like that only. 18 × 2 30, 36, 4 + 10 14, 36 + 14 50, 80 × 2 160, 10 + 15 25. So 160 + 25 185. This answer is 185.